Hit the road today in Squall, a 2019 Mercedes-Benz two-wheel drive Sprinter 170. Squall is a one-off, purpose-built vehicle that features travel-approved seating for 5 with a removable 3-person bench seat. When rotating the driver and passenger seat, it creates a hangout space complete with a modular lagoon table. It was designed by our experienced team using proven custom features and a functional layout ideal for your adventures. Powering all these premium features is our state-of-the-art power system with dual 12-volt AGM batteries and a Magnum 1000-watt inverter. This 4-season vehicle has all the comforts of home, was designed to get you in a van today. This van's long list of components includes a cabin and water heater, galley kitchen with a sink, refrigerator, overhead cabinetry with plenty of storage, and a freshwater tank with an external shower. Skip the wait and start making memories today. Visit outsidevan.com to view our current available vehicles.